I'm Jessie, Realtor with the Dan Plowman team. I'm here today at 16 Greenview Court in beautiful Whitby. Let's go in and look around and see everything this home has to offer. This home has so many different living areas. This one is the living room that goes directly into a beautiful formal dining room where you can gather with family and friends and enjoy some time together. You're going to love this kitchen. It has everything that you could need. Beautiful granite countertops, tons of cabinet space. It has this amazing breakfast area where you're overlooking the green space and your pool. You can also walk out to the deck to enjoy a cup of tea or a glass of wine in your backyard. And don't forget, you also have this cozy family room with a wood burning fireplace. You're going to love this primary bedroom. There's tons of natural light. You've got a great ensuite washroom and a huge walk-in closet. Also on the upper level, you have 3 more generously sized bedrooms and another bathroom. Jesse here, Realtor with the Dan Plowman team. Thank you so much for visiting this home with me today. If you'd like to come and have a private showing, call the number above and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can keep up to date on all our recent homes for sale.